awesome my husband is. He built me this shelf before I got home from work yesterday. How cool is that? And then he got me that giant cardboard piece. That's all one piece, by the way, that black thing. And then I did blackboard paint on it. And now you can't really see it too well, but I'm writing my outline on it. And he put it up for me. So he is just awesome with projects for me, and I'm very, very lucky. And look, here's Indy. Hi, Indy. Short for Indigo. I don't know if he likes his new position on my desk. Yeah, you can't see anything out there. It's too dark. There's a cat fight about to happen. It's too dark in here too. Thing about living in town, I've never really enjoyed living in town, is, well, no, actually I've really liked living in town. But the only part I don't like about living in town is the cats. Everywhere. Not everywhere. There's just one living under our house. There's one that comes and sits on our car, and then there's another one that lives in our backyard. So 3 within this little area seems like a lot to me. I don't like it. Little Grey's Anatomy, and The Americans, and my bed.
Gentlemen, may I introduce the
Hopefully I get sleep and not cough all the time. And I have a cuddle.
Which is worse, watching him slowly rumble towards you like prostate cancer.
Goodness.
Him appearing suddenly
Yeah.
severe stroke.
So, good night. Sorry. Boring vlog.
How's your sister coping?